Tunggu. Jadi kita belajar bahasa English. Let's go.
Hello, Mister. Introduce myself. My name is Dia. I'm from Senior High School in Negeri 1 Abian Semal. Can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure.
May I know your name, Mister?
Sure. My name is Zolt Zimba.
May I know which country are you from?
Yes, I'm from Canada.
How long did you stay here, Mr. Zolzemba?
I stayed here for 4.5 years in Indonesia.
What is your reason for moving to Indonesia, presently in Bali?
I came to Jakarta for work and then I moved to Bali for a different type of work afterwards.
As long as Mr. Zolzemba live in Bali, what does Mr. Zolzemba know about Bali?
What do I know? Well, there's lots of places, lots of temples, different locations, sightseeing, tourist attractions, and lots of restaurants.
Wow, you already know a lot about Bali, Mister. I'm happy to hear it. According to Mr. Zolzemba, how is education in your country?
Well, our education system is quite good. I think beda-beda dari Indonesia, tapi bagus.
Oh, interesting, Mister. Okay, Mister, thanks for taking your time to talk to me. If there are mistakes in pronunciation and question, I apologize.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you.